In this video, I'm going to talk with you about the 5 dispute letter template myths, and I'm going to do that right now. But before we get started, I want you to go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the notification icon so every single time I produce a new video, you can get notified. Myth number 1, the credit bureaus will flag your dispute letter template. All right, let's talk about that. Did you know the Federal Trade Commission has dispute letter templates on their website? And they encourage consumers to use their own template. So do you think that the credit bureaus will flag the Federal Trade Commission's own template website? Well, see, I don't think so, because the FTC places this template letter on their site so consumers can have an example or a sample of how to write letters. So that myth is busted and it's not true. Myth number 2, if you use a dispute letter template, the credit bureaus will flag your letter because they think you are a credit restoration company. And what is the truth to that? The truth to that is that when I had bad credit, I used template letters that I purchased online to fix my own credit. And the credit bureaus never even one time flagged my particular dispute letters stating that I was a credit restoration company. So that myth is busted and it is not true. Myth number 3, if you purchase templated dispute letters online, they won't work because many other people have purchased the same exact template. Well, here is the truth to that myth. You see, my software, Client Dispute Manager, has over 270 dispute template letters in the software, and many of my users have gotten great results with those template letters. The key, though, is to modify the letters. So a lot of our users who've used some of our template letters have modified the letters, and those modified letters have produced our users great results. So that particular myth is busted and it is not true. Myth number 4. Now here's what I hear, that there are certain dispute letter templates online that work better than other dispute letter templates online. And here's the truth. It's not about the template that you're using. It's about what you say inside of the dispute letter. It's also about your process and how you send the dispute letter. And it's also about how you follow up with the credit bureaus when they send you results back in the mail. So that myth about some dispute letter templates work better than others online is actually busted and it's not true. Myth number 5. Now here's what I hear. Is original dispute letters better than template dispute letters? And the answer is no. Original letters are not necessarily better than template letters. What it really all comes down to is how you modify the letter and what you say in the letter that produces the best results. So that myth is busted as well, and it is not true. All right, Mark, so you've covered 5 myths when it comes to sending dispute letter templates. So what should I do? What's the answer? Should I use templates? And the answer is, it is okay to use templates as long as you modify the template. You have to modify the template to fit your own situation. Never send the template just the way it is. You have to change the words and you have to modify the template to fit your own situation. Now, if you have proof that supports your claim of an account being inaccurate, you send that proof along with the template. You also want to send proof of identification so the credit bureaus will know that it's you that's sending the letter. Have you ever thought about taking your current skill set to help others improve their credit score? If the answer is yes, this is the perfect opportunity for you to start your own credit restoration business, part-time or full-time. And here's the reason why. It's a low startup cost. You can work from anywhere you want around the world. You will be your own boss and you can set your own schedule. That's right. And because of this, I've put together a step-by-step training course teaching you step-by-step on how to start your own credit restoration business, helping others improve their credit score. And it's absolutely free for you. And all you have to do right now is click the link below to get your step-by-step training on how to start your own credit restoration business in your part-time or whenever you want. The training is free. Just click the link below to get started today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And again, click the subscribe button below and turn on the notification icon so every single time a new video comes out, you will get notified. I'll see you in the next video.